Welcome to the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO tutorial video. This video introduces the network management feature of the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO, including AP mode, station mode, DHCP settings, and DNS settings. Insert the licensed dongle and power on the system. In the address bar of a web browser, enter 192.168.1.1:30888 to access the home screen of the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO. After logging in, click Network Management from the menu on the left. In AP mode, the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO operates as a Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing other devices to connect for system management. Click Wireless Network Settings. Click Edit to configure the Wi-Fi name and password. After a device is successfully connected, the connected device information appears in the list at the bottom of the page. In station mode, the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO operates as a Wi-Fi client, connecting to an existing Wi-Fi network for external network access. In the Wireless Network Settings tab, select Station Mode and click Switch to apply the change. After switching, click Update Wi-Fi and select the target Wi-Fi network to connect. On the Network Management page, click DHCP Settings. In the upper right corner, click Edit to configure the address range, subnet mask, gateway, and lease duration. After completing the configuration, click Save. If any parameter is invalid, the system prevents saving and displays an error message. Unplug and reconnect the network cables of connected devices to refresh their IP address information. On the Network Management page, click DNS Settings. In the upper right corner, click Edit to enable editing mode. You can add or delete entries and modify domain names and their corresponding IP addresses. After verifying that all configurations are correct, click Save. Thank you for watching.